Today, we are going to talk about smart and practical ways to make your application stronger in 2026. This video is for educational purposes only. The goal is to help you understand the process in a simple and clear way. In 2026, application systems are more digital, more connected, and more strict about details. This means that even small improvements in how you prepare your file can make a big difference in how fast your case moves. Many people focus only on submitting forms, but success depends on how well your overall file is prepared. Let us start with the first smart step. The first smart step is preparation before submission. Before you submit anything, take time to review your entire file. Check names, dates, and personal details carefully. Even small typing mistakes can slow down processing because your case may go into manual review. A clean and accurate file moves faster in automated systems. The second smart step is organizing your documents. Do not upload random files without order. Arrange your documents in a clear and logical way. Label files properly so officers can easily understand what each document is for. Clear organization helps reduce confusion and speeds up review. The third smart step is keeping your information consistent. Make sure the information you provide is the same across all forms and documents. If one document shows different details from another, your case may be flagged for review. Consistency builds trust in your application and reduces delays. The fourth smart step is responding quickly to official messages. In 2026, most communication is digital. If you receive a message asking for clarification or additional documents, respond as quickly as possible. Delays in responses can pause your case and push you back in the processing line. Fast responses keep your application moving forward. The fifth smart step is keeping your contact details updated. If you change your phone number, email, or address, update it immediately in the system. If officials cannot reach you, your case may stop without warning. Always make sure you can receive messages on the contact details you provide. The sixth smart step is using simple checklists. Create a personal checklist of all required steps and documents. Mark each step as completed before submission. This helps you avoid forgetting important items that could cause delays later. The seventh smart step is staying informed with official updates. Rules and systems change over time. Do not rely only on social media information. Always verify updates from official sources so you do not follow outdated advice. Being informed helps you make better decisions. Now let us talk about mindset. In 2026, successful applications are not about luck. They are about planning, accuracy, and discipline. People who take time to prepare their files properly usually face fewer delays. Another important point is patience. Even with a strong application, processing takes time. Avoid shortcuts or promises of fast approvals. There is no guaranteed fast track for everyone. The best approach is to submit a clean, complete, and honest file. Let us summarize. To make your application stronger in 2026, prepare carefully, organize documents, keep information consistent, respond quickly, update contact details, use checklists, and follow official updates. Small, smart steps can save you months of waiting. This video is for educational purposes only. Rules and systems change over time, and every case is different. Always rely on official information and verified guidance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, stay connected for more simple and clear information.